Yeah man, so this is Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again. Yeah man, but this time it is my wife that is doing the cooking. Yeah man, I'm not at home, so my wife decided she wanted to do some prawn soup, and I don't eat prawn at all. Yeah, so she wanted prawn soup, so she's gonna cook her prawn soup, and she said she was gonna record it and then post it on my channel, which I'm very appreciative of it. You know, so don't forget to follow her. Her Instagram is virtuouslady_lady76. Yeah, so yeah, go over there and follow her Instagram. Yeah man, and her prawn soup look really good, people. Yeah man, I'm gonna do a voiceover on it, and then you guys can follow it step by step, stage by stage. Big up yourself, Jen. Yeah man, so this is my wife Jen. As you can see, she's washing our prawns with some vinegar. Yeah man, get some hand on in this. Yeah man, she broke off your head then. You know, I hope she don't ring off my head like that. So, she separated the head them now, people. Make sure you wash up your prawns, you know. And what she does with the heads, she gonna be sauteing the heads with some celery, butter and stuff. She's gonna make a lovely stock to put in her soup. You know, that's the celeries and butters and pimento and garlic. And then she add some water. Adding enough water. Remember, I need a big pot of soup. Now she's adding in the prawn heads just to make that nice little stock. Cover it up to boil, maybe about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. See there? Look really good. But man, you're going good, you know. Teach her well. So here she goes again, straining off the prawn heads, getting the stock from that. Yeah man, you can season up the stock. You should have a vegetable well prepared, corn, potato, yeah, pumpkin, carrots, and shelling celery in there as well. Everything in there, give it a stir. She had her thyme and scallion. Dash in some yam and some potato. Yeah man, she roll up a dumpling, watch your finger them. Yeah man, get down to them. Yeah, roll a nice pretty dumpling there. We should learn from, you know. Don't forget to put in the scotch bonnet pepper. If you're not a fan of pepper, then you can, you know, it's optional. Here she have her pumpkin soup and cock soup. She's gonna be putting it in a bowl with some warm water. Get it dissolved. I've teach her that, you know, because if you put the noodle in the pot, pour the dry mix in there, it's gonna be lumpy. And you end up with lumps. So make sure you put your noodle in the water, hot water, dissolve it, and then ram in the pot. Give it a stir. Yeah man, the soup look good. Put our prawns in there now. Yeah man, look on that man. If you don't eat prawns, she alone drink a pot of soup, you know. Believe you me. Yeah man, just season up our pot with some all-purpose season. Whatever season you have, you can use it. Season to your own taste. Yeah man, you can see the soup look good. Put our prawns in there now. Yeah man, look on that man. If you don't eat prawns, she alone drink a pot of soup, you know. Believe you me. Yeah man, just season up our pot with some all-purpose season. Whatever season you have, you can use it. Season to your own taste. soup look nice and rich. Yeah man, so here we go.